Hey friends, it's Rachel with the Ponds Farmhouse, and can you guess why I might be painting these acorn caps pink? I've got a fun acorn craft that I'm going to be sharing with you today, and I think you're going to be amazed. Hang with me. Today, we're going to be turning those acorn caps into adorable mushroom Christmas ornaments. The first thing that I had to figure out was how I was going to do the stem of the mushrooms. And I decided to use air dry clay. And I wanted them to be real organic looking, so I'm just really kind of rolling out the clay and giving it a funky look, making it a little fatter at the bottom. You'll notice I keep cutting it off because I don't want them too tall because the acorn caps are fairly small. But you just want to keep kind of pressing and making your little organic stems. And so you also want to flatten the bottoms of them a little bit, mainly just so that they can dry, because you're going to be making ornaments with these, so they don't really need to stand up per se. But another thing that I like to do is just add some little grooves into it to give it more of a natural look. So I'm just taking a knife and just kind of pressing little grooves into the sides of the mushroom stems. Then what you want to do is you're going to need to let the stems dry, and so I just placed them on a piece of wax paper and just left them setting for 2 or 3 days because it takes a while for the clay to dry out, and you don't want to rush it because sometimes it'll cause cracks in the clay. So I've left them setting here, and once they're dry, we're going to make our Christmas ornament, so stay tuned. Okay, now that the air dry clay stems are completely dry, I'm just taking a little bit of this antique gold rub and buff, and what I'm doing, well, actually, I think I used gold leaf for these. I can't remember, but anyway, they're very similar. But anyway, just take a little bit on a paper towel and just rub it roughly over the stems. You don't have to completely cover them. I'm just trying to highlight it. I decided not to paint them, but you could paint them if you wanted them a pure white or a browner color, whatever. But I'm just using the rub and buff, just kind of highlighting the edges of it. You'll notice it's not completely covered. And I'm getting it all over my fingers. I should have on gloves, but I didn't. I start into projects without thinking about it. But once I get all of these bases covered at the bottom, I'll go back and add a little bit of the rub and buff once again to the tops of them so that they are, there's a little bit of the rub and buff all over the entire stem. And then we'll be ready to assemble our beautiful mushroom ornaments. Okay, I have 2 colors of the mushroom caps, acorn caps, and what I'm doing is I'm just adding a little bit of Elmer's glue to the tops, and I do not want to completely cover them because I don't want to completely cover the color. So I'm just doing little hints of glue here so that when I sprinkle it with the glitter, it'll just attach to certain areas of the cap. I decided I wanted him to be really fun and festive looking, so just take a brush and just go over the areas that you want to cover. You don't have to completely cover them unless you want to. Okay, now that we have all the glue on, we're just going to sprinkle them with our glitter. just put it on like a piece of wax paper or something like that so that you can collect any excess, but just shake them off real quickly, and then we're going to be ready to attach our stems and hangers, and we're going to put them on the tree. So I'm so excited. Next, I just added a little hanger to each one, and I just used a little drop of hot glue right in the center and pressed the fabric into it. The way I'm adding the stems is just adding a drop of hot glue into the cap and then pressing the small end of the stem in. And it only takes a few seconds for them to set up. And then once I have all of my ornaments done, I'm going to be ready to add them to my DIY aluminum Christmas tree that I shared earlier this year. I'll put a link to that also on here. I think they're going to look adorable. So let's take a look.